was the concept we were doing last week?
Finding the volume of cylinders,
Finding the volume
prisms,
of stuff.
pyramids, and spheres.
So does everybody agree? We pretty much did volume?
Yeah.
Okay. Today we're going to start talking about surface area. Okay, I want everybody to think real quick. What's the difference between volume and surface area? You can come up with a good explanation for that. What's the difference in your head? What's the difference between volume and surface area? Oh gosh, something good. Trace.
Volume is like the whole inside and all of the shape.
Okay.
Surface area. It's just like surface. That's the top. That's it.
Oh, the exterior, okay. I always think, guys, of the surface area as being how much wrapping paper would it take to wrap this? Okay, well, we know volume is like the air or the water that you can put in here. That's the volume. But the surface area is just the area of all the surfaces. Okay? And we're going to do surface area today, guys, of just cylinders. So this thing right here. Here's all the cylinder is. Okay? We're going to do surface area of the cylinder. Alright? And we're going to do two different things. We're going to do surface area and we're going to do lateral area. Did we talk about lateral area last year? You ever heard of lateral area?
Probably.
Okay, well, we'll talk about it. All right, here we go. Surface area. So it goes in that first blank. Is the sum of the areas of the bases and the lateral faces of they call these things space figures. Three-dimensional figures. Okay? You measure the surface area in units squared. Now, there's two things you guys got to be worried about and read the directions carefully. One is the lateral area, and that is the area of the sides, or side, might only have one side, only. Okay, it's the area of the sides only. And the cylinder that I have up here has got this orange piece of paper in it. Look at this. I take it out and lay it like this. That's the lateral area of this thing. So it does not include the top and the bottom, the bases. That's when we get to the total surface area. Okay? Now there's a nifty little formula for this. There we go. I always abbreviated LA, lateral area, equals 2 pi r h. If you have your pink sheet out, go to your pink sheet and either, I don't care which side you put it on, just write LA, okay? On your pink sheet, LA equals 2 pi RH. You might want to say that for a cylinder. That's what works for a cylinder. Now, you guys all know what number 2 is. What number do we use for pi? What's R stand for?
Radius.
What's H stand for?
Height.
Pretty simple. 2 pi RH. Okay?
Are we using 3.14 or the actual time?
Use 3.14. Use 3.14 for pi. That way we all get the same looking answer. Now, the total surface area is the lateral area, abbreviated LA, plus the area of the bases. It's the total surface area. Okay, so it'd be our little orange piece of paper here. Plus it'd be, what kind of shape, on a cylinder, what kind of shape are the bases?
Spheres.
Circle.
Who said spheres?
Circle.
Circles, not spheres. Circles. Are, in a cylinder, are both circles the exact same size?
Yeah.
Yeah, always. Okay? So, now I'll give you guys the formula for total surface area. So, jot this down. TSA or SA. Same thing. Total surface area and surface area are the same thing. We're going to go 2 pi RH, there's the lateral area, plus 2 pi r squared. There's the two circles. Pi r squared times 2. There's the two circles. Put that on your pink sheet somewhere. Write that as the total area for the cylinder. Two pi rh plus 2 pi r squared. You just need to be careful typing it into your calculator. It's going to be pretty easy to do. Okay, so you got two new formulas on your pink cheat sheet: lateral area and total area, or surface area. All right, let's try one. Mr. Devon, read us the directions above numero uno.
Find the lateral area of the cylinder, round to the nearest top.
Okay, so what are we finding for the first couple here, Devon?
The lateral area.
Does it anywhere in there does it say to find the total surface area? Guys, all we're doing, read your directions tonight. All you're going to do is find the lateral area. In this case, some of them it's going to say find the surface area. All right, let's do this. LA equals 2 pi RH. We use our formula. Okay? Lateral area equals 2 times 3.14. Devin, what's the radius of that first cylinder?
5,
Excellent. And what's the height?
12.
Just write all your numbers down. Guys, you have to write all the numbers down. You can't just grab your calculator and get an answer. Write all that down. Now, grab your calculator and type that in, guys, and everybody practice rounding to the nearest tenth. Practice rounding to the nearest tenth. Harrison, what'd you get?
376.8.
You are correct, Mundo. And then do you know how to label area?
Feet cubed.
That's volume.
Oh, feet,
Squared. Area is always units squared. So, everybody put a little feet squared. Volume is cubic units. All right, guys, you're going to find this pretty easy today. All right, next one. Guys, look what they give you, though. 6.2 inches. Is that the diameter or is that the radius? What would the radius be if the diameter is 6.2? Yeah, you got to divide it by 2. So I'm going to jot that down, 3.1. Okay, get rid of my 6.2, don't need that. So our lateral area is going to be 2 times 3.14 times 3.1 times 6.8. Okay, every practice typing that in and get rounded to the nearest 10. Grace McGuire, what'd you get for numero 2?
132.4.
That's what I got. The lateral area is 132.4 inches squared. All right. Now, I'll try to throw a little word problem at you guys. Not a big deal. If you had a can of tuna or a can of something and just talked about the label, which part is the label of a can?
the wrapping.
Just the lateral area. Okay? So, the label, okay? You guys have seen cans of tuna, they're kind of like short. Okay? We're just going to find the lateral area. We know that the radius is 5.1 and the height is 2.9 centimeters. I always like to draw pictures. And again, we're only finding the lateral area here because we only want the label, like the side. You know, it wouldn't be the top or the bottom. All right, 2 times 3.14 times 5.1 times 2.9. Colin, what'd you get?
92.9.
Perfect. 92.9 centimeters squared. Okay? Everybody being careful when they round?
Yeah.
Okay? One thing I want you guys to work
This is
on.
short notes today.
Alright. Okay, Maeve, you good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, jump to the back. Okay? Alright, a circular fence. It's 2 feet high, so built around the outside of a carousel. You guys know what a carousel is? Is
Yes.
that a merry-go-round? Right? Alright, we're going to put a circular fence around it that's only 2 feet high. the distance from the center of the carousel to the edge of the fence. Okay. So I know that the fence can be 2 feet high, and the distance from the center of the carousel to the edge of the fence is 35 feet. So what does that mean? Is 35 feet?
Radius.
Radius is 35 feet. That's the distance from the center to the edge. What's the area of the fencing material that's needed to make this fence around our carousel? Well, again, what are they asking for here, guys?
The lateral.
Only the lateral area. We're not going to fence in the top or the bottom, okay? Just the lateral area. Billy, what numbers are we going to multiply together here on this one?
2 and 35.
Well, give me them all, please.
And
2 times
35.
3.14
3.14
times 35 times 2. Okay? And what'd you get, Bill? Did you do it? Harrison, hold it.
Yeah.
I love your enthusiasm, but be patient.
439.6.
Yeah, that's what I got. 439.6. You're gonna need that much fencing, guys. And then make sure to label it, guys, feet squared, please. But great job rounding. Okay, go to number 5. Ms. Van Pelt, read us the directions above number 5.
Find the surface area of the cylinder. Write all answers to the nearest 10.
Now, surface area means the same thing as total surface area. You're gonna find the whole thing here. Let's put it all. Let's put the formula one time up here at the top. The surface area equals 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. Just write it one time. It should be on your cheat sheet in your notes. The radius is 1 foot, and the height is 2 feet. Okay? Plug all that stuff into the formula, guys, and let's see what you guys get. Practice typing it into your calculator. Let me get the lateral area first. What was that one, Talia?
12.6.
That's what I got. It was 12.6. Plus, what about the area of the 2 circles? Did you get those, Natalia? Antonio? 6.3. That's what I got. 6.3. And if you add those together, you get 18.9 feet squared.
Yeah,
Okay.
I didn't do them separately. I just add them all together.
On your
One
calculator,
step,
one big
yeah.
swooping step.
Yeah, and then I got that, and I thought it was wrong since you guys. But then I realized that you
Yeah,
guys
just-
split it up.
I did the lateral area first, then the 2 circles, and I just write them down just to show a little bit more work. But yeah, it should work out fine, Maeve, when you do it that way. All right, try that next one. Go. Write everything out. Plug the numbers in where they go.
Did you change the 20 to a 10?
On that one, yes, because you want radius. Yeah, it's always the radius. Cough, did you get number 6?
No.
Anybody get number 6?
Yeah, I'm on number 7. I got number
Okay.
6.
What'd you get for 6, Phoebes?
For the latitude, I got 169.6. And then for the
2 bases.
yeah, I got 56.5.
So loud and proud, kid.
56.5.
56.5. When you added them together,
I got 226.1.
that's what I got. 226.1 feet squared. Okay? Anybody try that number 7 yet?
I did
What'd you get, Meg?
for the final answer.
Final answer.
I got 1,004.8 feet squared.
That's not what I got.
Alright then. Oh, I think I forgot to square 10.
Maybe. 3.2 times 3.14 times 10 times 15 plus 2 times 3.14 times 10 squared. Try typing that in.
I think I forgot to square 10.
Do it again.
Alright. Yeah, I got 1570.
That's the right answer. How many people got 1570 for that one? You guys doing pretty good. 1570, and then Maeve, can you label it?
Feet squared.
Feet squared. Excellent. Okay. All right, last one. We're going to find the total surface area of a candle. It's in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, can you guys all draw a cylinder?
Maybe.
I think those are pretty easy to draw. Oval, 2 lines down, another oval. It's a candle. There's the wick. Okay, it's got a diameter of 4. But I don't like. We're not going to use a diameter of 4. What's the radius? 2. Put a 2 in there for the radius. And the height is 2.5 inches. Height is 2.5 inches. Plug all the numbers into the formula. See what you guys can do. Practice typing it into your calculator. Ange, what'd you get for that one?
I got 56.5.
That's what I got too. 56.5. We're talking inches squared. Surface area. Guys, what I want you guys to think about, label your stuff either SA or TSA, that's fine. Surface area, total surface area, or lateral area. If you're only finding the lateral area, label it LA. Lateral area. Homework's over on the side of the board. You guys can come close to finishing it in class.
Isn't the TSA right here for today?
Security.
The TSA. No. Can I go to that?